Welcome back. Today's quick tip from the Tech Bench is on the Atari Final Lap board. These boards have been very, very reliable over the years, and they're just now starting to fail. But what I'm seeing in failures is all the same thing. And they're all coming in with bad sound, either low channel, weak channel, distorted channel, fuzzy channel, whatever. Well, the problem is this little batch of caps right in here are pretty much all bad. In the last half a dozen or so of these that I've done, this one here has been the only one that even falls within the tolerable range, and that's usually 50% off. So you have one of these with bad sound, replace those caps. I'm also putting together a list. I've forwarded over to Pete at Arcade Parts and Repair, see if he can put these together as a kit for us. But until then, I'll put a list in the description, also including these two down here, these two over here, and then there's a couple on the rails on the video board on the other side. So anyway, Atari Final Lap, bad sound, here's your problem right here.